Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So, monetary policy meeting for the month of August 2026 has been announced. This is the third edition of MPC meeting for the current financial year. Every year, RBI do conduct MPC meeting for 6 times in the gap of every 2 months, means on the second month. So, this is going to be the third edition of bi-monthly meeting for the current financial year, but in all together we will see from the time being MPC was formed, जब से MPC बना है, it is 62nd edition of the meeting. Based on multiple factors like how the economy is growing, what is the rate of inflation, RBI do decide changes in the repo rate. If RBI is increasing the repo rate, it means loans are going to become more costly for the economy, for the common man. It means RBI want to absorb the liquidity from the economy. If RBI decreases the repo rate, it means RBI want to make loans cheaper for a common man. So we are able to borrow more money, liquidity will increase into the economy, which will further boost the economy. Sometime RBI decide not to make any changes based on both the things, that we want to control the inflation and we want the liquidity rate to be seen. This time, in this particular monetary policy meeting, which was chaired by the chairperson of MPC, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, always remember MPC, Monetary Policy Committee meeting, led by total 6 members are there in the meeting. There are total 6 members. Out of 6 members, 3 members appointed by RBI, 3 members nominated by the Government of India. Chairperson of the committee will be always the Governor of Reserve Bank of India. So at present, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra is the chairperson. Other members were Dr. Nagesh Kumar, Sugata Bhattacharya, Professor Ram Singh. These are the members who are nominated by the Government of India. Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, Dr. Poonam Gupta, who is the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and Sri Indranil Bhattacharya, who is the Executive Director of RBI. So these are the total 6 members, 3 by RBI, 3 by the Government of India. All 6 decided not to make any changes in the repo rate. 6 ने पूरे लोगों ने मिलकर डिसाइड किया कि रेपो रेट में कोई चेंज ना किया जाए. So repo rate remain unchanged at 5.25%. कोई भी चेंज नहीं किया गया है. So subsequently, your SDF remain 5%, bank rate remain 5.5%, and stance is going to be neutral. What is the meaning of neutral stance? Neutral stance means even after 15 days, RBI feel that there is a need of increment in repo rate, RBI will do that. Or after 10 days, RBI feel there is a need of decrement in the repo rate, RBI will do that. Neutral. There is not any, there is a stance called accommodative stance. Accommodative stance means where RBI is inclined toward more accommodation of the liquidity into economy. Means RBI will decrease the repo rate to accommodate more liquidity. Like this, we have other stance as well. At present, RBI kept the stance at neutral. Abhi RBI ने रखा है stance को neutral, where they might increase, they might not, they keep it same. मतलब अभी कुछ fix नहीं है, वो चाहे तो increase करेंगे, decrease करेंगे या तो same रखेंगे. That is what the meaning of neutral stance is. GDP prediction है आपका 6.7%. Quarter 1, nobody asked in the examination. This one they may ask you that what is the GDP prediction of India according to the recent monetary policy meeting of the Reserve Bank of India. So 6.7% है आपका. CPI inflation rate 5%. तो ये directly पूछते हैं, quarter and all they don't ask, but just as a information I kept in front of you. तो GDP rate आपका है predicted 6.7%. After that, CPI inflation rate for the current financial year 5%. Next monetary policy meeting will be conducted in the month of October. 5th to 7th of October को conduct होगा. Major risks which were discussed during the meeting was El Nino effect, monsoon, food inflation, fuel prices, West Asia conflict, oil prices, global trade uncertainty. These were the matters which were discussed. Based on this, finally MPC decided not to make any changes in the repo rate. And growth drivers by which GDP may grow in the upcoming days, that prediction have been given. So based on domestic demand, infrastructure, manufacturing, service, credit growth and export. That exports are growing with the time based on that. So currently repo rate is 5.25, SDF 5%, MSF 5.5, bank rate 5.5, fixed. Reverse repo rate is 3.35%, CRR 3 and SLR is 18%. ये आपके सारे rates हैं. In the hustle batch, I have explained each of them in detail with simple examples. So if you have not done it, go for the hustle batch, open the RBI topic, monetary policy discussion. You will be able to find them in an easy manner. Now, within the same meeting, there was a discussion around 1 or 2 circular. One circular in a short, I am telling you because this is going to be important. Although RBI did not issue the final proper guideline. So draft guideline regarding the licensing of urban cooperative bank In the last 20 years, RBI have not given any new license for urban cooperative bank. RBI ने पिछले 20 साल में कोऑपरेटिव बैंक के नए न्यू लाइसेंसेस इश्यू नहीं किए हैं. So now RBI is coming up with the on-tap facility. On-tap facility means RBI will not put up any invitation. Anytime any organization want to get the license, they can go to the Reserve Bank of India and apply over the Prava portal. वो जाएंगे और अप्लाई करेंगे पोर्टल के ऊपर. If RBI feel that all the document and conditions are agreed, RBI will issue the license. इसको बोलते हैं on tap. That no need to wait for invitation from Reserve Bank of India. If you have will, if you have capacity, apply for the license. अगर आपका will है, capacity है, license के लिए apply करें. Primary objective for issuing the new licenses for urban cooperative bank after 20 years is promoting the financial inclusion, increasing the competition, expanding the cooperative banking in India. तो 20 साल बाद RBI cooperative banks के नए license issue करने जा रहा है. These were the changes which were there or unchanged things which were there in the monetary policy this time. You can get the PDF from this particular Telegram group. If you want, you can connect with me over the Instagram as well. Remember that there is a batch Hustle 3.0 by which you will be able to prepare for all your upcoming examination interviews like SBI PO, IBPS PO or RBPO, etc. So join the batch, start your preparation now. Take care, Jai Hind, all the best. I'll be meeting you back in the next session soon.